ILLR stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First of all, Triller Group is sick. Not in a bad way, but like 20% down is against something. But again, I've done more videos than anyone else in this space, with the most proof documented. When I say this, I mean I have 39,000 videos listed on my YouTube channel. As I'm looking at ILLR, it's just very strange, right? Now, am I saying it's gonna be like this forever? Not necessarily. I saw this beautiful increase in price, and bottom line, if I want to double down on this market, we have a decent demand zone. So only if I see the price giving me the rules here and then actually shifting, that's when you know that I'll pulling the trigger on this. Now, guess what happens if no rules are met? You bet I'm not gonna buy. So all I'll keep doing here in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if no rules are met, I'm just not going to buy or really do anything. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.